This is a place that I found I can pick up some rocks for my landscape to use in different projects for borders, and I'm working on a dry creek bed. We had to put in a French drain last year in a little bog area, so we're doing a little dry creek bed on top of it, and these river rocks perfect for that. This is so far what we have done. This is a little dry creek bed. Underneath is the French drain to drain off some of the standing water in the yard. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like and share.